I'm now in my Seat Alhambra, and I will give you my honest opinion on what I think these LED upgrades look like. So it's about 9:41 p.m. and I'm about to put on my headlights and tell you my opinion. Not that it matters, but I guess it can help somebody decide whether they like it or not, or whether they feel the same as I do after I visually see what sort of output these lights give. Here we go. Okay, immediately in my mind I straight away thought about it's very safe. It looks safe. What I mean by that, it doesn't look like it's going to dazzle oncoming drivers, or anybody rather, so it doesn't look like it's going to dazzle anyone. The beam pattern is very consistent. There's not light scattering, which I found in other vehicles. The light does scatter. I mean, it's got a refractor headlights rather than a reflector, so there's like a little dish that sits on the end of the headlights, inside the headlamp. It's like a dish, a cone rather, so the pointier part facing towards the road, and it sort of refracts the light back into the housing. So that is what I've got, not the lens with the projector built in them. So immediately I can say it's definitely safe for road use. It's not as powerful. It's not very extremely bright like some aftermarket ones where there's 60 watts of power, rather than these ones which are limited to 16 watts of light output. So absolutely brilliant for anybody looking to upgrade and not dazzle other drivers and save motorway driving and so on. So I'm just going to go out for a little drive and carry on with my opinion. Straight away you can see more parts of the road actually, and I feel like it's going to be a lot safer to drive at night now. Obviously, as it gets darker, it will make things a lot easier. I mean, it'll be a lot easier to see the road. This specific car got cornering headlamps, so I do have that assistance when I'm turning corners, that it will light up dark patches of the road. As you can probably see, the yellowish light at the bottom of the vehicle. It's definitely a major improvement from my previous halogen headlamps, and I'm so glad that these are certified safe. They do include sticky labels to put on top of the headlamps, on the brackets rather. So you open the bonnet, stick them on your the brackets of the headlamps, because the MOT tester may want to see if it is ECE approved for UK use. And as I said, as soon as I turned them on, it feels safe. So I mean, it must be safe because it's not beaming all the way upwards. It is still facing towards the road rather than up. Let's say, for example, let's use this as an example. So the signs on the side of the road, it's not sort of beaming towards the top. So thank you very much for watching this after installation video.